Good morning everyone and welcome back to English class. Students, as you all know that we were reading about naming words and till now we have read what are common names and what are special names. So common names is the name given in common or shared in common by everyone of the same class or group. For example, boys, girls, because whenever I say boys, it means I'm talking about every boy, not only some particular boy. But when I say Rahul, it means I'm talking about someone special. So when we talk about somebody particularly, specially, that becomes a special name. Like when we give a particular name to something, some person, thing, animal, okay, so that becomes a special noun. So students, till now we have completed worksheet up to worksheet 4 of our practice book, and I hope you all might have done it correctly, as I have told you that how to identify the common names and special names. What is the first step for identification? That special names, they always begin with a capital letter. Like we can see here, you can cross check your answers. Sumit is a special name. Tuesday is a special name. Here then Yamuna, Mitu, Maharashtra, Christmas, Snoopy, and Canada. So students, all these names they have begun with the capital letter. So they all are special names, and rest of the words that are left, they all are common names. So I hope you all might have done them correctly. So now let us start today with our next question. Based on the common and special names, let us find out what is asked here. In the following sentences, some common naming words have been written in capital, whereas some special names have been written in small letters. Means there are errors in writing in the writing section. Means in while they have written common name, they have written it with a capital letter, and while they have written a special name, they have written it with a small. So we have to identify that and we have to correct them. So correct the errors. Errors means mistakes. The first one has been done for you. So I would like to visit Paris someday. Now students, see here, I would like to visit Paris. So they have done this for you. Paris is the name of a place. Okay, so it should be written capital because it's a special name. Here this I, subject I, is talking about this particular place where he want to visit, so it should be written capital. ओके क्योंकि ये स्पेशल नेम है तो ये कैसा लिखा जाना चाहिए, कैसे इसको बिगिन करना चाहिए, इसका फर्स्ट लेटर कैसा होना चाहिए, कैपिटल. मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया है कि ये मैटर नहीं करता कि आपका जो स्पेशल नेम है वो सेंटेंस के सेंटर में आ रहा है या एंड में आ रहा है या बिगिनिंग में. तो ऑलवेज चाहे कॉमन हो चाहे स्पेशल हो, सेंटेंस बिगिनिंग में तो फर्स्ट लेटर ऑलवेज इट इज़ रिटन कैपिटल. बट स्पेशल नेम जो है वो अगर बीच में भी आ रहा है तब भी उसको कैपिटल लिखा जाता है. तो यहाँ पे एरर यही था कि पेरिस जो है वो स्मॉल लेटर से इन्होंने बिगिन करा है. दैट इज़ रॉन्ग. सो दे हैव करेक्टेड इट हियर एज पेरिस. सो रेस्ट ऑफ द एक्सरसाइज वी विल डू इट द सेम वे. Now second sentence is, my favorite friend is Ruchi. Now as I have told you earlier that friend, see here friend, they have written F capital. So it is wrong because when I say friend, it can be any friend. Okay, it can be any friend. It can be Ruchi, it can be Seema, it can be Riya, it can be Rohan, Raz. Any friend can be there because I'm not referring to any particular here when we say friend only. So my favorite friend, friend is a common name, so you will write here friend and begin it with a small letter, small f, R-I-E-N-D, and here is Ruchi. Now as she has named her favorite friend as Ruchi, means she has given a particular name, so Ruchi is a special name, so R will be written here capital. So you will write here Ruchi with R capital. Next is, Albert Einstein was a great scientist. So here, see here, it's the name of this scientist. Okay, he was a very great scientist. So Albert Einstein, E will be written capital here. Okay, because it's the name, it's a special name. So it will begin with a capital letter. Albert Einstein was a great scientist. And here scientist, when we say scientist only, so it means it can be any scientist. Okay, it can be any scientist of the world. So scientist is a common name. So it should be written here, it should begin with a small letter. So here you will write SCIENTIST. So S will be written small. Next one is, there are 7 continents in the world. Now students, earlier we have done this exercise. Continents is a common name. Okay, we have 7 continents. So continents is a common name. So C will be written small here. Next one is, in this sentence we have only one error. So they have given only one box. So error is with continents. Okay, so C will be written small. Next one is, I have bought a new ball. Here again, ball is a common name. So B will be written small here. So you will write here ball with beginning with a small B letter. Next one is, my favorite cartoon program is Tom and Jerry. Now I hope you all the children, they like this cartoon. So Tom and Jerry. So here let us see which is the where is the error. See, cartoon. When we say cartoon, so it can be any cartoon. You watch so many cartoons. You watch Doraemon, you watch Shin-chan, and so many others are there, like this Tom Jerry. So when we say cartoon, so any cartoon can come into your mind. You can think of any cartoon. Okay, so cartoon is a common name. So C will be written here small. But when we say Tom and Jerry, so Tom and Jerry is the name of a special cartoon. And here Tom stands for that cat and Jerry stands for that mouse. Okay, it's the name of that mouse. So these are special names. So here you will write Tom beginning with a capital T, and here you will write Jerry beginning with a capital J. So I hope now you have understood this exercise and you will write it in good hand only. Take care of your handwriting and take care of your spellings also. Listen to the video carefully. Now this next part is do it yourself. Though this part is for you, but I will help you to do some part of it and rest you will try to do it yourself. So let us find out, cross the odd one out. Here they have given a group of words. Okay, four group of words are given here. So we have to cross that one which is odd one. Odd one means which is different from others, जो दूसरों से अलग है. ठीक है? So let us see which is different one from here. Sunday, it's the name of the day. Thursday, again name of a day, like it is Thursday today. Then Friday, okay, it's again the name of a day. Weekday. When we say weekday, so it can be any day of the week, right? So it's a common name, and you can also identify it like that. Every letter here, every word here has begun with a capital letter, like Sunday S is capital, Thursday T is capital, Friday F is capital, but weekday W is small. So this is for identification also. So weekday, it is a common noun. So you will cross this. Cross means you will put a cross on this word. Next one is building, tower, Humayun's tomb, and statue. Now let us see what is all this. Building, okay, then tower and statue. All these are common names, but here Humayun's tomb, sorry, its pronunciation is not like tomb as earlier I said it. Its pronunciation is tomb. Okay, so Humayun's tomb. So this one is a special name. So you will cross it out because rest are common names and this one is a special name. And this word's pronunciation is tomb. Next one is city, Jammu, town and village. Now here Jammu is a special name and city, town and village, they all are common names. So which one is odd one? Jammu. So we will cross it out. Next one is Rahul, brother, sister and friend. You will do it yourself now. I'm not going to tell you the answer. And it's quite easy to identify. Read the following, underline the special names and encircle the common naming words. Now here they again have given the passages like we have done previously also in our let us find out. Yes, in our question number 4, page number 4. So this exercise is similar to that, but in our question number 4 on page number 4, what we have done, we have circled all the naming words. We have not differentiated them as common and as special. Now as we have learned that what are common names, what are special names, so here we are supposed to see, identify the both. And what you have to do, read the following, underline the special names. Students, keep it in your mind, you have to underline the special names only and encircle the common naming words, and those which are common naming words here, you will make a circle around them. So I will help you to do this A part, and rest B, C and D you will try to do them yourself. This will be your self assessment also. So in a small city called Surajnagar near Delhi, there lived a man called Sandeep. Now here students, we are asked to do underline the special names. So first of all, let us find out the special names here. So Surajnagar, S is capital, it's the name of a city. So we will underline this. Then Delhi again is a special name. You can see here also that D, it begins with a capital letter also. It is the capital of our country. So this will also be underlined here. And there lived a man called Sandeep. Now who lives there? Sandeep. So here we are talking about a particular person, Sandeep. So it is also a special noun. So in this sentence we have 3 special nouns and we will underline them all. Surajnagar, Delhi and Sandeep. Now let us try to, now we are asked to find out common names also. Now let us find out the common names. In a small city. When I say city, so any city can be there. So many cities are there across the world. So you can think of any city. So city is a common name. So we will circle it. Next one is man. When we say man, so any man can be there. Okay, so man is also a common name and we will circle it. He had 3 sons, Asu, Nitin and Amar. Now see here, when we say, first of all, we will try to find out special names only. So here Asu, Nitin and Amar. These are the names of special persons, special boys. So these are special names, we will underline them. But when I say sons, so it's a common name. Because sons, it can be sons, when I say sons, so it can be any son, okay, of any person. So it's a common name. So we will circle sons. Next is, one day the 3 boys decided to go to the water park for a picnic. Now what happened one day? Now here see, the 3 boys, which 3 boys? Asu, Nitin and Amar, they decided to go to the water park for a picnic. So one day, here students, let us find out the special names. Water park, see here, both the letters are, both are beginning with a capital letter. So water park and picnic, both are special names, we will underline them. Now here, day, one day means any day can be there. So day is a common name. Boys, when I say boys, any boys can be there. So boys is a common name. So here we have 2. And picnic, picnic is also a common name. So we have 3 common names here, day, boys and picnic, and water park is a special name. Their mother prepared food for them. Now mother is a common name. Food is also a common name because we are not talking about something particular. She gave 2 buns and a bottle of coffee to Asu. Some sandwiches, students see here D is given but D is silent. Okay, when we pronounce it, it will be pronounced as sandwich. Okay, D will not be pronounced, sandwiches. And a jug of tea to Nitin and some rice and a can of juice to Amar. So she gave 2 buns. Buns is a common name, bottle is a common name, coffee is a common name. but here Asu is a special name. So we will circle buns, bottle and coffee and underline Asu as we are supposed to do this. Some sandwiches. Sandwiches is again a common name. Then jug is a common name. Tea is a common name, but Nitin is a special name. So we will underline Nitin, and sandwiches, jug and tea will be circled. And some rice. Rice is also common name. Then juice is a common name, but Amar is a special name. See here, and a can. Can is also a common name. Here this can is not for that helping verb. It stands here for some bottle. Okay, bottle type thing. So here a can. Can is also a common name. Can, juice, both are common names, but Amar is a special name. So students, I have told you that what you have to do in these exercises. So I hope you all will try your best and try to find out your answers from here. If still you have any problem, you can contact me, you can message me, or you can call me anytime. So that's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.